Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Yucca Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of expert movers will make sure your long-distance move goes effortlessly. Regardless of how far you want to move, our experienced team of movers can make it a lot simpler. The best moving services make all the difference, and our staff offers just what you require for your upcoming relocation. Along with the basic long-distance moving services, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, and transparent pricing. If you need to work with a California moving company, justifying the expense might seem tough. When you look at the key advantages you gain, the expense may be a lot easier to deal with. You gain the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. Movers can also make sure you don't have to stress over injury, since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you receive professionals ready to make your local move incredibly simple. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you receive a structured strategy for moving day. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a big move in just a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Yucca Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.